Welcome to another video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like comment. Thank you. Let's move on to our video. Bananas are not only a delicious and nutritious fruit to eat, but they also offer several benefits for skincare due to their natural properties. Here are some ways in which bananas can be beneficial for your skin. 1. Moisturizing. Bananas contain a high amount of water, which can help hydrate and moisturize the skin when applied topically. The moisture can help improve the overall texture and appearance of the skin. 2. Vitamins and antioxidants. Bananas are rich in vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin B6, as well as antioxidants. Vitamin C can help brighten the skin and promote a more even skin tone. Antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which contribute to premature aging and skin damage. Anti-aging. The antioxidants in bananas, particularly vitamin C, can contribute to reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by promoting collagen production and combating oxidative stress. Acne treatment. Some people use mashed bananas as a natural face mask to help with acne-prone skin. The vitamins and minerals in bananas, along with their gentle exfoliating properties, can potentially help soothe and clear acne-prone skin. Soothing irritation. The natural soothing properties of bananas can be beneficial for calming skin irritation, redness, and inflammation. Exfoliation. The gentle exfoliating action of bananas can help remove dead skin cells and promote a smoother complexion. You can create a homemade scrub by mashing a ripe banana with a bit of sugar or oatmeal. Oil control. Bananas also contain a small amount of vitamin A, which is known to regulate oil production and may help control excess oil on the skin. Here's a simple banana face mask recipe that you can try at home. Banana face mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, optional, for added hydration, 1 teaspoon honey, for its antibacterial and moisturizing properties. Instructions: mash the ripe banana until it becomes a smooth paste. If desired, add yogurt and honey to the banana paste and mix well. Apply the mixture to your clean face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Follow up with your regular skincare routine, such as moisturizer and sunscreen. Remember that individual skin sensitivities can vary, so it's a good idea to do a patch test before applying any new ingredients to your face. If you have specific skin concerns or conditions, consulting a dermatologist or skincare professional is recommended for personalized advice. Thank you for watching this video, and to watch such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button so that the notification of upcoming videos can reach you.